A grim discovery was made on the evening of 6th April 2025 when locals stumbled upon a body in a forested area near the Mawlai By-Pass. The Mawlai Police Station was promptly informed and the officials arrived at the scene to initiate an investigation. According to sources, the deceased has been identified as a 40-year-old resident of Mawlai Umsao who had been reported missing since the 21st of March 2025. Police attempted to retrieve the body on the same evening but faced challenges due to the steep terrain. As of the latest update, efforts to recover the body are still underway. The Mawlai Police Station is working diligently to complete the retrieval process and further investigate the circumstances surrounding the discovery.